Hello again, my name is DJ, MarineMax Gulf Shores. I want to show you this Century 2007. Comes with aluminum trailer, center console boat, really nice bimini top, very clean on the inside, plenty of rod storage in the front, has a rod locker up there, cooler right in front of the center console. Boat is in excellent shape. We can walk around here. It's got a rubber rub rail around the edges here, stainless steel rail around the front. It's got a 115 Yamaha. The seats and cushions are in really good condition. Got 2 jump seats in the back for your family to have space. Comes with a Garmin compass, storage up underneath by your feet. If you're interested in this boat, please give me a call, 423-653-8655, MarineMax Gulf Shores. Thank you so much. My name is D.